Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video are the amazing video. In this video, we will discuss about earn money online without an investment. So let's begin this topic until the end. So there are various websites that an app for your money in earn money also. Freecash.com. So if you want to earn money online without any kind of investment, so first of all you have to go to Google Chrome over here. Then I will sign up with my mail ID over here, and I will type here Freecash. Freecash is a great website for making money online, and with a simple and easy to steps for that for this particular platform. So I will click on this freecash.com, and this website is allowed for completing for various tasks such as playing games, taking surveys, etc. etc. So look at here, you first of all sign up from here, and you can sign up with Google. Then I will choose this account and I will continue it. You see, you sign up from this kind of website over here, or you can download this application from Play Store also. This is the best part for the cash to earning with PayPal, or you can get the gift card for popular retailers like Amazon and Walmart also. Whether it looking for the making for the few bucks for the spare and built for sustainable income streams. Freecash.com is defined for checking out, so I will skip this. Okay, so you see here there are various offers. You see it, earning offers. It is an earning offer. So you see, you play this kind of game, or you play this game, you will get a certain kind of income also. Or you have to taking for a survey also. If you want to taking the survey, you go for the survey, pitching survey with the partner, returning 0.10 rewards. Okay, so you can receive, get started. Okay, which is gender you most identify with, male. Okay, so what is your postal code? So I will type my postal code is this is my postal code. Then I will next it, which is date of birth, select date. Okay, and then I will select my date of birth over here, and then I will next it. You see here you earn $0.10. Like that you can earn money from this also, from this freecash.com also. So survey complete, back to, you see here back to earn page. So you go to back to earn page, you will see here my first survey get complete over here, and I earn $0.10. Okay, so like that you can earn certain amount of income from this survey also. Market forces. If you want to earn money using online without any kind of investment, so first of all you have to go to Google Chrome over here. Then I will go to my mail ID. Then I will type here Market Force Mystery Shopping online website. You see here, this is the Market Force Mystery of online shopping. So this website allows you to take for a shopping of the service. Okay, so that you can get earn money using this kind of website also. So this is the best for mystery shoppings and for business also. So this website pays the people for visiting any kind of businesses. So it provides the feedback for the experiences of the customers and for the mystery of shoppers for retail stores also. So here is a restaurant for the banks and submit your observations, and all these are of your user experiences. And so you will pay for each of the assignment range $5 to $20 rupees. So you see here, you see these all are user experiences are shared over here. And I am interested, become a shopper. If you are interested for a shopper, so click on here, become a shopper. Okay, you can create your own shop from in mystery marketforce.com, and you can Also already or shopper or login, so you have to log in over here. If you are in kind of shopper, so you have to log in over here and you can directly go to there. So you should watch the video. So here you see, okay, I will show you. So here business employee engagement, operational, customer. So you can see the customer survey. These are the customer types. These are the customer schedule. You can schedule demo also. You can here. Then after you can view the customer survey, customer feedbacks over here, and you can earn certain amount of income to this kind of website also. You can see the analytics also here, market analytics. So you want to see the analytics of this particular market, so you can also show the demo also. If you want to sell any kind of item or any kind of want to survey, so you can schedule demo also. So you can get a analytics from here also. Okay, these are the then the panel research. You can also research anything for the survey research also, you can do it over here. Then you can technology, which technology, knowledge force reporting, market force apps, which kind of apps are there. You in industry based also, restaurant, retail, grocery. These are the industries working for here also. Means restaurant, this industry, this web application is typed with various industry like restaurant industry, retail industry, grocery, and petro convenience and telecom also. So you can also research and survey also, and you can give the experience, or you can also give them certain survey for that also. So you can also earn certain amount of income. So over here you can see the careers also. You see the career optional open positions, so you can also do the career over here also. Get benefits of package, comparative pay, bonus, and also you get using training and development also. You can also see the employees experience also share over here. Okay, so login and shopper online or platform. So you can also log in from here also. Okay, so I will log in over here. So you can log in also, and you can also earn a certain income also. Like that, you can earn certain amount of income in market force. So if you want to earn money online without any kind of investment, so I will go to Google Chrome over here, and you type here Trimata. You see here, Trimata. Okay, I will click on this website. Okay, Trimata is platform for the user to earn money by competing for their service. Okay, and participating for market research also. These studies for the typically and sharing the opinions and feedbacks for various products and services. So the platform pays out the reward from cash or gift card, or making a great way to earn some kind of a extra income with your spare times. Whether you are looking for a save in special purchases or just kind of supplement in your regular incomes, so Trimata is definitely worth for checking out. Okay, so you see here website testing by Trimata. You can also give the website testing also, get a starter from website testing. So you see, how do you want to use the Trimata? Get paid to test for your website, or you have to conduct the user testing. So I will click on get a free for trial over here. Okay, then you see here you have to sign up from here. First of all, first name, full name, working email, phone number, company, password, and you have to create the account. Then after that, you have to try the certain kind of websites, and you can give them survey or taking for the market research for the particular website also, and you can earn certain amount of income using this website also. Okay, so why should you use the Trimata? You see about the company. You can see the Trimata is the best for user experiences, user interface for testing, unified for user of testings, user experience is best, remote usability, and e-commerce for the testing. There are a lot of platforms are come over here, and they can test for the website. E-commerce people are also, e-commerce website also comes. Then remote usability testing are also there. Then user interface are also there. Platforms, there are usability testing, product analysis, and research of the composition. These are best for this kind of website to earn money also. So see an example, you can also see examples also, resources for Trimata blogs. There are certain kind of blog also. You can visit the blogs and also do that. You can also add your all this kind of login, sign up over here, and you can start your testing also. Like that you can earn money using this Trimata website also.
For writers.
So there is another website to earn money online without any kind of investment, is that Funds for the Writer. Okay, this is the best website for that. So I will go to Google and I will type here Funds for the Writer. Okay, you see the Funds for the Writer. Okay, so I will click on this first website over here, and you see our website get open over here. Okay, so this website is a page for you to write something. Okay, you don't need to have specific for writing skills to get anyone's or any more also. So with each of the article and averaging 500 to 600 words, when it pays for you, and as captain you will get the $60 for the per articles, and all you have to browse for write and apply for different writings of jobs also. So if you see here, these are a home menu. About this kind of funds for writer, you see about us for year, thoughts for this, and you can also give the grant. There are certain kind of grants also. You see the grants, which kind of grants are you will get it. Okay, so then you the contest. There are certain kind of context you also see. Okay, then you can see the markets. What is the market is that you can also see for the market. If you want to subscribe now, so you have to type your mail address, name, and subscribe also. Okay, and if you want to send you a certain kind of article or a blog, so you can go to contact over here, and here you see you type your name, email, subjects, and you type your message, and you can submit it. After that, the Funds for Writer give you mail, and you can send your article to that mail also. Okay, and advertise, you can see the advertise of your campaign. Okay, advertise also you can see here. Blogs, there are certain kind of blogs. Okay, you see the blogs are here. Okay, then you can see the submissions, newsletters. There are a lot of things you can submit or post also. If you want to type the newsletter, so you can subscribe for now. You can type your newsletter also and send to that Funds for a Writer also. Okay, like that you can certain amount of income to this Funds for the Writer. But you see here, if you want to pay the articles or you want to send the article 500 to 600 words, so you will get a good amount of income you can earn over here. Okay, this website is best for the earning for the article also. Okay, so you type your mail, email, subject, and you type your message, or you can also contact with Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. You will get the social media's link over here, so you can connect with them and you can contact with them also. If you are a good article writers, if you are good writers, so you can send all you can details or all you can article to that particular person also, or you can send to that company also. The company will review your article and publish the article to this website also. Okay, and you can also earn certain amount of income to this kind of website.
So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.